Hello guys, HANO is here. Today I will show you how to install PES 19 eFootball HANO V2 Season 2025. First you will download all 7 parts. Patch size is 12.8 gigabytes. Select one part or select all parts and right-click to extract the patch. First, you must have a game folder that contains only the data file. If you have any other files, delete them. It's very important. Go to Option File Location and delete all files or backup. Now go back to the patch and select all files, copy or cut. Go to Game Location and paste it here. Click Replace and continue. Now we need to generate CPK files. Go to the game location and choose Download folder. Follow these steps. Now to open the game, don't forget to open the cider. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Goodbye.